Hello, just want to talk to you about bank accounts because I often see the question online, how do we stop the CMS taking money out of our bank accounts? Now, I don't know why you're asking that question. It might be that you owe the money. It may well be that there's an error, but for whatever reason, it is a genuine question. So, in order to take money out of your bank account, they need to know where you bank, who you bank with. So the question is really not how do we avoid money taken out of a bank account, because actually CMS can take money out of all UK bank accounts. The question to ask is, how do we stop CMS from finding out our bank details? Well, the answer is quite simple. CMS will conduct a credit check. If they conduct a credit check, they can see which banks you've got current accounts with, because each month the bank reports to the credit reference agency the movements on your bank account. Now, there may be a loophole here, because if you have a savings account, banks, as a general rule, do not report the balance of your savings account to the credit reference agencies. So as a result, you can't see it. And therefore, the fact that you bank with that bank may not come up on a credit check. And therefore, CMS can't go to that bank and ask them to give you your money, or to give them your money. So it's not quite straightforward. It does depend on the bank account. Obviously, nowadays, when you open a bank, they will carry out an ID check, which will leave a search imprint on your file. They will disappear after a period of time, and eventually your credit record will be full of search imprints, and therefore there will be no details to identify who you bank with. So that's all you need to do. Just take out a bank account that's not actually a current account, but just simply a savings account. Anyway, hope that's of use to some of you. I am aware that obviously there's a lot of scare stories about money being taken out of bank accounts. It doesn't normally happen if you are paying, but it can happen, obviously, and it can happen by mistake. So hopefully this video reassures you a little bit and gives you some idea of how the CMS works. Brilliant. Okay, so thank you for your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos, and of course leave in the comments any ideas or suggestions for future videos. Thank you.